Okay, and example 3 on page 359 is a lot about position. So if it's the first term in the sequence, it's the first number. Second position would be the second number, third position would be the third, and the fourth would be the fourth number. And it's in the sequence. And you need to really follow along in your book and look at that, because it isn't that hard, but it is a little bit different. So notice that the position number increased by 1. So we're looking at the book here, not the example. And so the first position is 1 times 2, and you get a value of 2. And then the second position is 2 times 2, you get a value of 4. And so here you're going on that the position in the sequence and the value of the term is 2 times a variable. In this case, it's n. Kind of wordy. We're going to have to go over this, so make sure you ask questions. And this one here is pretty tough, so pay attention. So let's look at example 3, because I think it's a lot easier to look at them. And this is also in your tutor section in your ebook, so pay attention if you want to go there. And it's a word problem, so let's graph this out into a graph or a chart. The greeting card that Meredith makes are sold in boxes at a gift store. The first week, the store sells 5 boxes. So the first week is her position 1, and they sell 5 boxes. So the first week she sells 5 boxes. Each week the store sells 5 more boxes. So each week. So on that here, she sells, this is the first week times 5, so she gets 5. This would be 2 times 5, and so you get 10. And then the third week, she sells 3 times 5, and she gets 15 sold, has 15 sold. The pattern continues. What algebraic expression? Algebraic expression means that you have to have a variable, and I like n or x. I prefer x for everything, but n would go for the number. What algebraic expression can be used to find the total number of boxes sold at the end of 100 week? So, in that case, they want you to have an algebraic expression, so we could just substitute in here for whatever week, x or n, it doesn't matter. We would say x times 5, and it's really redundant to put the times 5 because you don't need that, but I just want to keep the pattern going. So we'd have, we always put the coefficient first before the variable, so x, number of weeks, x times 5, because every week she's selling 5, so it would be 5x. So the algebraic expression would be 5x or 5n, whatever your value, your variable is, and then x, if they're asking you for 100, so you substitute x, because x equals 100 in this case, so substitute in, and you get 5 times 100, and she would sell 500 boxes. And word problems usually get labeled, so box that in. It's a lot wordier than it needs to be, but pay attention to that because this is kind of tricky. Bye-bye.